everyone, I'm Gitanjali from Same Hospitality and Trading Private Limited. We are here as one of the vendor of the Korea Fair 2021 at Celebrity Walk Mall. So what product we have at display here is BTS coffee. We all know BTS, we all are huge fan of BTS here in India. So we have brought this coffee from Korea to India for the first time. People started paying attention to these K-dramas, they are short, they just have 16 to 20 episodes. So they got to see so many things in those dramas, and then music is always there. We all know now music has no language, it's global. So even if it's in Korean singers singing in Korean, people are just so interested in that. So they're interested in K-beauty. K-beauty is quite in trend now. So we have Innisfree, we have Body Shop, all these brands from Korea, and they're selling really good these days. We launched our product here for the first time in Korea Fair only. So from the day one, from the day to go, people started coming, okay, we have this BTS product over here. So we had such amazing response thanks to all the fans of BTS. They have been coming here from day one till now, and we still have 3 days to go. So I have heard that there is a myth going on that Korean products are expensive and should we really invest our money on that? So I'd say, so there is one thing, not all of the products are expensive. If you will come here at the Korea Fair 2021, there are things that they're not that expensive. You can get a drink for 60, for 50, We pay money on imported products all the time. So these products, all these products here in this fair have been imported. So of course they come with a price tag. But I'd really say that this is worth it. The quality that they have in Korea, it matches your standard. If you'll come, invest, maybe I am very sure that you're going to buy it again and again because of the quality. I think all those people who want to, start up a trading business, I think Korea is one destination. You can start, you can bring a product from Korea to here. People are really going to love it. I'd like to give a big thanks to Kotra and the team who organized this event and gave this amazing platform to all of us vendors. We could connect to those so many customers who kept coming for the last 7 days, and we're expecting some new footfall, of course, for the next 3 days.